We started with this account in December, and today is March 31st. Now the account's making around 20,000 a month.
So the account is doing like 20k revenue a month, right? And as you can see, it jumped by 200% almost. We started to scale the account to 25,000 listings because this account actually allows us to, since it has unlimited limits on eBay, we can actually list like any item, right? And you're not basically in a way limited.
In e-commerce, on average, you earn around 20 to 25% of your revenue, right? So we do 20k times 0.25, that's almost like 4,000 to 5,000 in profit, right? And divide that by, and then we do like a 50-50 split with our client, right? So that means the client is profiting around over $2,000 just by not doing anything.
All right, what's up guys? Marc Augustine here, and in this video we're gonna go through, this is basically a case study of one of the accounts we manage. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. My name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and I have two gentlemen on the channel that has been on before. Joran and Ronnie. So you guys, you want to introduce yourself before we get into the actual case study?
Yeah, sure. Well, I'm Joran. You've probably seen me before on this channel. I've been dropshipping on eBay for about a year now. Was into Shopify dropshipping before, but now since a year full-time on eBay. And yeah, that's a little bit of my background, I guess, in this e-commerce space.
And if you guys are brand new to the channel, I'll put a link to like our last two videos that Joran and I did, so you can see more about what he's done. But yeah, Ronnie, you go ahead.
Yeah, so my name is Ronnie. It's been a really long time since I've been on the channel. I'm a freshman year in computer science and software developer, and I've been with Marc and Joran on this eBay stuff for almost like a year, but yeah.
And it was just Ronnie's birthday, so smash the like button for Ronnie's birthday. I need some likes, come on. So yeah, Joran, you want to get into the account, how long we've been, so guys, what we're looking at is account that we're managing, and what you could get from that, from this, is what's possible, what you can do, as well as what we can do together if you work with us, right? This is like live current information, data, and profit that you're seeing. But go ahead, Joran.
Yeah, right. So yeah, in this video, I guess we'll be showing you one of the accounts that we currently manage. What we're doing is a 50-50 profit split. I'm sure Ronnie will tell you a little bit about that later. As for now, I think we can just talk about the statistics, a little bit of about how we
account, and
just some details on like how we operate, right? So as you can see my screen, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
You know, when you can see it. So yeah, we've been operating on this account actually for a decent amount of time already. It was always doing pretty decent. I'd say the revenue was like always like between 500 and 800 most of the time, and then only recently, I think only for like 2 weeks, maybe a bit more than a week actually. I think around this day we started to, around these days, it's 18th and 19th of March, we started to scale the account to 25,000 listings because this account actually allows us to, since it has unlimited limits on eBay, we can actually list like any item, right? And you're not basically in a way limited, or not in a way, you're just limited by eBay's selling limits, right? So eBay gives you selling limits of like 500k if you're a new account, and once you're close to 500k, you can go to 1 million, right? Some of these things are popping up because of the software that we use for our agency. But then, yeah, we're just updating it, I guess. And so but this account was already previously selling on eBay a lot, and it's an old account. It's from 2004, I believe. So it has unlimited limits. Like look, this is also what it does. It just opens it. Yes.
When did we start with this account actually?
I think this account we started in November or December maybe. We actually have it under management for quite a while. Yeah. Oh my god, like this can be edited out surely.
Yeah, so we started with this account in December, and today is March 31st, and now the account is making around 20,000 a month. Yeah, so it's great.
Yeah, so the account is it's doing like 20k revenue a month, right? And as you can see, it jumped by 200% almost, and it's at 22k listings. We have I can do some traffic, right? So yeah, this was the traffic in the last few days. Since here we're starting to scale it like more aggressively, right? And yeah, we do high margins, mostly high margins, and like low amount of sales. So we want to have the least amount of friction possible with our clients. There's not hundreds of orders to fulfill, right? but there's still high profitability, which I can also show you guys, right? Like it's probably what everyone likes to see the most is just the raw numbers. So in the last, this is not correct by the way, like in the last 30 days, this account almost did 3K profit, right? It might make it, it might not make it, probably barely not, but yeah, like that's what it does. In the last 14 days it's around 1.6, right? So in the end, if you would work together with us, it's 50-50, right?
Yeah, so that's great. I mean, what, 3 months old and it's already up to 20K in revenue. I mean, besides that, about the agency, the way we like to operate with our partners for the agency is that we don't really own any of like the business rails. So like if you ever work with us, you practically own everything down to the Amazon account and eBay account too. I mean, bank account and the bank that receives the payouts, you know. And then on average, I think, I mean, from just this account as an example, on average, we on the first month of working with us, we profit around like, I mean, the client profits around like $200 to $500, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it should be
And then,
around that, yeah.
yeah, and then around the second month, it should be around like somewhere 1,000, and it just keeps going up and up and up. I mean, we can do simple math right here. Like if e-commerce, right? In e-commerce, on average, you earn around 20 to 25% of your revenue, right? So we do 20K times 0.25. That's almost like 4 to 5,000 in profit, right? And divide that by, and then we do like a 50-50 split with our client, right? So that means the client is profiting around over $2,000 just by not doing anything.
Right.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is, there's really nothing else like to say. I mean, you can look at the numbers and then like you can look at the way that we split the profits and everything. But yeah, that's basically it.
And guys, when you're watching these videos, these accounts are managed 7 days a week, 8 hours a day, right? This is not
Yeah.
something
Not
that is
even
done
8, it's
passively.
24.
It
It's
only
24 hours.
becomes passively, it's passive for the client,
Yeah.
but oh sorry, Ronnie, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah. Your Ron is on the opposite time zone. I'm on a different time zone. We work when one of us is asleep.
Right.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the,
But
yeah, a lot of work goes into the accounts. We basically take care of everything. It's completely hands off for the client. Maybe for
yeah,
you
I mean,
who, if
yeah,
you're watching, if you're interested.
yeah, and every month when we do invoice the client, every single cost, profit, and revenue, and even like returns, expenses, and refunds are like tightly and extremely detailed bookkeeping done on them, right? So we don't really like to fabricate any sort of numbers or estimate or anything. We really like to go down to the very cent. If it's an odd number and we can't split the cent, it just moves over to the next.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
basically
guys.
it.
So hopefully you can get from and see what's possible. This is 3 months in. The account profit is would profit close to $3,000. So like the video, subscribe. I'll put a link in the description so you can reach out to us. If you want to work with us, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Have a good one, guys.
Goodbye, guys.